Bitcoin, we start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, I was keep mentioning we have a divergence. That's why we can expect the price to drop. We get this one, then there was this correction. Anyway, we get this sharp move. Now I want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. Okay. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We move to daily chart. And the only thing is we have been looking for the reversal. This is what we get. Now, if we want to look for continuation, we need to get the correction here before we look for trade. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup based on daily chart. Okay. And if we move to forward chart, if we refer to our analysis, I was mentioning the ways moving, we cannot get any trade setup. And it's even right now, because the question is whether we can get the correction for continuation or we can put this one as a flat for one more drop. Okay, that's why if we want to look for trade right now, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. And mostly when we see this kind of the move, we can expect the price to drop or move reverse or move for bigger correction. That's why if we want to look for trade setup for buy, we prefer we get the proper correction here. Okay, because we don't want the price drop. We don't want to buy then the price drop because of this bigger. We are not looking for the down move, but we need to be aware of this correction. Okay. Anyway, based on forward chart, also we don't have any trade setup. And if we move to 1 hour chart, how we can look for trade? And simply because of what we get here, mostly we have to wait. Okay. But the best things is if this one give us at least one more drop with the breakout of this low, then we can confirm whether we can look for reversal or not. And we at least we have a flat before we take the trade. And even right now, if the price continue reverse from here, we cannot we cannot get any trade setup unless we get a sharp move correction. From there, we can look for trade. By the way, it's better we wait a few more hours, we see what we get here before we take the trade setup. We prefer to get the bigger correction before we do deeper correction before we get the next trade setup, because of the simply made this one give us one more drop. All right. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. It's better we wait. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.